Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Photoshop. We'll begin by exploring the fundamental workspace, which is your creative canvas. You'll learn to identify key panels like layers and properties, and locate essential tools such as the Move tool and Selection tools. We'll also cover the crucial first steps of opening existing images and saving your work, ensuring your progress is always secure. Finally, you'll master basic navigation, like zooming in to 100% for detail work and panning across your image. Next, let's dive into some of Photoshop's core tools. We'll explore various selection tools, such as the rectangular marquee and the lasso, to isolate specific areas of your image. The Move tool is essential for repositioning elements with precision. A cornerstone of Photoshop is understanding layers, which allow for non-destructive editing, meaning you can make changes without altering the original pixels. You'll learn to create new layers, duplicate existing ones, and group them for better organization, keeping your project tidy. Now, let's enhance your images with basic adjustments and retouching. We'll cover how to apply common adjustments like brightness, contrast, and exposure to improve overall image quality. For quick fixes, the Spot Healing Brush is incredibly useful for removing small imperfections or blemishes with just one click. You'll also learn to crop and straighten your photos, improving their composition and visual appeal. Finally, we'll touch upon simple color correction techniques to make your images more vibrant and true to life, achieving a polished look. Finally, it's time to save and export your amazing creations. It's crucial to save your working files in Photoshop Document, or PSD, format to preserve all your layers and editing capabilities. When you're ready to share, you'll learn to export images for web use in common formats like JPEG for photographs or PNG for images with transparency. We'll discuss the differences between these file types and their best uses. You'll also discover how to optimize image size and quality, ensuring your work looks great across various platforms while maintaining efficient file sizes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.